assemble an old Xbox from 2001. So this is how you assemble the set. So if you have a car set and you have like a bunch of sets, first let's get into the main Xbox. This is the box. This is a dance pad. Another one, we got the controller, and another controller, and another controller. The connecting thing to connect to TV, the remote for this, cables, and the main device, the Xbox. So we are going to assemble all of these items. First, if you want to assemble all these items, you need to get the cable. So I have the cable. I just got it tied. It's tied. So let's take the cable off. We got the cable. This cable you put it here for later. And then we got this. It's the pedal for the Xbox. We just put it down. And also to connect this, you don't see any of these ports in the Xbox. So you wonder how to connect this. Actually, here, in here, there's actually a port for this. So we have to connect it correctly. Push it tight, like push it. And then we have to put these screws. Make it tight, don't do it too much tight. And then we put, then I'm going to put my thing here, my device. That means this. And then we have to take the Xbox, the main device. For the Xbox, you need a cable like this. So after you found that cable in your Xbox, like in case you just got a brand new one, I'm sure it will come with this. If you don't, you just found like a cable that is like that, like I have a cable that is similar. And then we connect it to this. And also this, in case you have this, you want to connect this to the Xbox, you need this. After you connect it, your remote will work. So let's connect this. This is a car set. To connect this, you have to take this and connect from the back. Or this, which I don't know. But you should not do these two. Because this you need to connect to the TV. So you only need to use this one. But if you need to use that, find a cable like this. Sometimes it might be plugged into the controller. You can easily take it off. Let's put that here. And in case you have like one more, you can put it there. Now, let's connect it. To connect it, we take this, make it correct, like just find how it's correct and just put it, like connect it. After that, we take a dance pad if you want one. If you're too scared, you can connect two of these. And then, so I'm not really going to connect all of these stuff because there's not enough ports for all of them. So I am going to put some of the controllers and stuff here. And then you connect this. It will have the same thing, something like this. Or it might already come with one. Just do this, the same thing you did with the other one. Then you triangle like this, and then now the step is to connect it. To connect it, you need to find a wire like this. That's why I told you not to connect this one, because you need this to play the TV. So we connect it in the back of the Xbox. It's over here in the back. Connect it. After that, you got to connect it to your TV. To connect it, it's on. To connect it, you need to put all these wires in the correct spot in the TV. Because in the TV, you might have this, because not many new TVs have these. The yellow one goes to the yellow hole. The red one goes to the red hole. And like in case the yellow one is like the yellow hole is green, you put it in the green hole. And the white one goes to the white hole. Connect that. After you do that, take the cable, connect it to your Xbox. After connected, you can turn it on. Now we just, wait 1 second. Sorry, I did it incorrect. So first we had to turn on the TV. Like go to your sources. Find something called AV. That's the cable you connected it to. It will show nothing. But when we turn it on, it will show something. Let's put the voice more. Now, you can use all of these stuff. It might show something like this. I'm just going to skip this. Look. This is working. This is working. Also this. And everything is working. And also something cool, in this steering wheel, behind it there's actually some lights. So if you put the thing to go front, like it will show how much speed you're going. This is start, select X, Y, R, A, B, and L. This is, and to switch stuff. Like in new controllers, there's like these buttons, but in the old one they didn't have those. To switch back then was these buttons. And after you have all these set up, you find a game, which I have a bunch. You pick a game that you like you can pick this game, like let's find a game. Like this is good for a card game. If you like a controller game, you can play, and for a controller you can play like Spider-Man game. And for the dance pad, there's a game for that. That game is called, it's like a dance game. It's this game we use to dance. It's very challenging and hard. This even works. You can also control it with this. case you want to insert a game, there's a CD button. You click that button to take the disc off. The disc will come here. After that, take your game that you want to play. Like I'm just gonna, like, let's just say I'm playing Spider-Man 2. Open your game. You'll see a manual or something. You can read that. But this is the game. Carefully hold this, and then the game will fall. So this. Be careful not to get scratches, because in case you get scratched, you won't be able to play. After that, you can click this to like put it back, or you can just push it. After, put it here or somewhere so you don't lose your game. Because you need the cover to like make it safe. After that, grab your controller or anything you're going to play with your game. You just wait until it loads. And then this is start to begin. This is start. Click start. Enter any name. But I'll do that later. Let's do normal swim. If you're playing like a gunning game, this is aiming and this is shoot. This is how to go front and back. This is camera. This is jump. And let's see this game. Look. So after that, it might tell you the controls. Follow the controls.
Well, sequel time already, huh?
B is to like climb the walls. It's Spider-Man.
Anyway, things have
And then
changed around
A is to
last
jump.
year, so they dragged me back at great expense to explain what's up.
X is like hit on
Not
Spider-Man.
much of a wall.
And to stick on walls, hold
Hit
B.
the wall. What you do. Walk
But
around, into a
I don't
wall,
really.
hold the ground.
And then you just have to
Stick with the wall.
like try
It works when
to
you're
jump.
swinging or jumping, too.
And then that's all. And also, to take it off, carefully. Take your disc off. Take your game take the cover off the game. Put it carefully in there. Put the game where it was supposed to be, or wherever. Now, to turn it off. Back then, they didn't really have like the option to turn it off, I think. You see this power off button. We use this button to turn it on and turn it off. We click the button once, and then it'll turn off.
Okay.
And then you find the TV and just turn the TV off. After that, you're done. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye, friends.